Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this unboxing video the unboxing of the Karuida KK-800A electronic calculator. Without further ado, let us start the unboxing video. So let's now bring the product into the frame. This is the calculator that was purchased off eBay for about £4.50. This is the top of the box itself. 8 digits, auto, power off, M+, M-, MRC, key tone, ASTIC, Y-board, electronic calculator, the photo of the calculator on top. Let's see the side, the back, the other side, the bottom and top. Let's now get into the box itself. Anything else in the box? No, just the calculator in some packaging. Let's just pull the packaging off. Turn on the calculator. On. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Yes, indeed it does. This calculator is powered by a battery. Very good for working out some calculations on a regular basis. We have a whole user guide that shows us how to and how not to use the calculator. I'll definitely be looking into that. And so, that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.